In the heart of a sun-drenched meadow, a world of intricate design and tireless effort unfolds. It's a process perfected over millions of years, a natural alchemy that transforms the fleeting sweetness of a flower into a golden, life-sustaining treasure. This is the story of honey, a marvel of the natural world orchestrated by one of its most remarkable architects, the honeybee. The journey begins with a single worker bee, a forager embarking on a crucial mission. Driven by instinct, she leaves the familiar hum of the hive and ventures out into a landscape bursting with color. Her target is a blooming wildflower, a tiny chalice holding a sugary reward. Using her specialized straw-like tongue, known as a proboscis, she sips the sweet nectar. This precious liquid doesn't go into her regular stomach. Instead, it's stored in a special sac called a honey stomach, a dedicated transport vessel for the colony's future food. She will visit dozens, sometimes hundreds of flowers until this sac is full, a tiny winged tanker carrying the raw ingredients for liquid gold. Upon returning to the hive, the forager bee is met by a team of younger house bees. A remarkable exchange takes place as the forager regurgitates the collected nectar, passing it mouth to a house bee. This is where the magic truly begins. Inside the house bee's body, a special enzyme called invertase is added to the nectar. This enzyme initiates a chemical transformation, breaking down the complex sucrose from the flowers into simpler, more stable sugars, glucose and fructose. This process is repeated, passing from bee to bee, with each exchange adding more enzymes and further refining the mixture. Once the nectar has been sufficiently enriched, the house bees deposit the watery substance into the hexagonal wax cells of the honeycomb. But the nectar is still too thin, containing about 80% water. To create honey, this water content must be reduced to less than 20%. The bees now become living ventilation systems. Gathering in groups, they begin to beat their wings in perfect unison, creating a steady, warm breeze that flows through the hive. This coordinated fanning creates an incredible evaporative effect, slowly but surely drawing the moisture out of the nectar, causing it to thicken into the viscous, golden liquid we recognize as honey. When the honey has reached the perfect consistency, it's ready for storage. A final set of bees gets to work, consuming honey to produce tiny, delicate flakes of wax from glands on their abdomens. They carefully take these wax flakes and use them to build a pristine, airtight cap over each cell filled with ripe honey. This wax seal protects the honey from moisture and contamination, preserving it indefinitely. What we see as a sweet treat is, for the bees, their very survival. This entire extraordinary process, from the first sip of nectar to the final wax seal, is dedicated to creating a vital food source. This golden pantry is what will sustain the entire colony through the lean months of winter, ensuring that when